This is part 2 to how to start locks. On part 1, we did the twist method. Today we'll be doing the coil method.
She want my attention.
Susan's a little irritated. We're gonna get right into it. Come close. Again, make sure everything's copacetic. Make sure you can run your hair. I don't care how thick the hair is. Make sure you can run that comb through it. Grab it and flick of the wrist. But this time, as you do it, you go down and you keep on doing it down. That's basically the coil. As I flip it, I make sure that the hair is still in the comb like this. So when I go down, I pull it towards this right here. And then push it toward, and then you go all the way down, go all the way down, go all the way down. Like you could do all the way down, or by the time you get to the end, really, pretty much do what you want. And then on normal hair, it'll just curl up and lock at the end, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the coil side. I actually sucked on this barrel twist like I did it really bad, but I just needed it to stay in place, y'all. So I think you guys are gonna like the coil side, because look at how slick the coil side is, and then here's the twist side, which is it's still vibing. I just didn't use as much gel. I think that's the difference. But yes, okay, her schmiddle part. Okay, Susan, I say you right there. Of course they're curly. The twist ended up way better than, say, the coils, like laying down a lot better and just staying together. Of course, y'all have to consider this is not real hair. I mean, I don't know if it's human hair. I don't think so. I didn't use that much gel. Everything pretty much stayed intact. Y'all could kind of see the roots. Yeah, I'm not playing with y'all. Ask your mom about me. She says she'll get her hair done tomorrow. These barely stayed in. They look good in the barrel twist though. They definitely look good with the barrel twist. With coils, I definitely recommend, if your loctician gives you a style, keeping it in for that full month until you see them again, because that is so much easier for the twist to stay in than it is for the coils to stay in with your hair loose. So I definitely recommend, and if you don't get a style, wrap your hair every night with like a cap, you know, not a bonnet, not a do-rag, but like a wig cap. But roots still intact, roots still not playing with y'all, and coils still cute. You see? Okay. I like the twist now. See, I knew I shouldn't have switched up on the twist, but the coils, if these were like straighter, definitely I might go coil. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and you like vibes like this, let me know and I will get an actual person this time to show you guys how to retwist using the comb method versus the locksmith method. That's what I want to do, but I don't really want anybody in my house, so that might have to come like next year when circumstances change. So yeah, if you guys like videos like these, subscribe. I show y'all all types of lock videos. I have all types of lock videos on my channel already, and I have more to come. I don't run out of ideas until I run out of ideas, okay? And if you have any requests as well, let me know, okay? Y'all see the material. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next video, okay? Bye.